screwed up on that one when he left the line. The front end came up and lives up to its name a little bit. A Sidewinder, yeah. Walk down the track. Starts to spool it up. It's not reacting exactly like he wants to. Here again, we're talking a 4-5 Charger. Now we got it lift. He saw the sideline coming. He did see that sideline coming. And he is going to be on the DQ side of things. He's always a tough contender, and he's always there supporting. Well, I'm not surprised to see the man here tonight. Any doubts why the man likes to run? Up in the air, and he carried it about where I would have expected him to. Like I said, it's been a while since they've seen Durbin run. Track is exactly what the Forgiven does. Banion out of Ohio. Gets to the track, it is ball game now. Up Shafer. There comes a time when you get into the throttle and you stay in it. And you saw that happen about 200 feet. It bounced once, it bounced to Sir Armstrong. We'll wrap up our entire event here tonight. Keep your fingers crossed, we can get another 6 minutes. We'll be done. To drift a little bit to the left as he finished his run down there. Kind of dialed it over there to the left-hand side.
Caitlin Fowler and Steve Quinn for the sheriff's club. Caitlin Fowler.
The Residential Classic out of Greenville, Ohio. He's right down there in the mix of the top 5. I'll almost guarantee that Palmer's run almost new Banion, Indiana. They're O'Hara or Banion, for the Enderley